Every strategy suitability index is a score out of 100. The higher the score, the more suitable the property market is for that strategy. And the low risk strategy is a score given to a property market to indicate its potential to deliver capital growth with a lower risk. Every strategy suitability index is based on the demand to supply ratio. However, the final score has been adjusted to favour markets more likely to deliver on their specific strategy. Now, since the strategy is to reduce risk, a higher weighting of importance is given to metrics that identify riskier markets in certain situations. For example, a high percentage of stock on market can identify a dangerous market. Sellers desperate to offload may accept low offers, starting a free fall in prices. Oversupply of property is one of the biggest risks to investors. Another important metric is the availability of vacant land. Loads of vacant land can be sold to developers who may create oversupply. Not having a tenant paying rent is also a huge risk for investors in terms of cash flow, so a low vacancy rate is important. Also, entering a market at its peak could spell disaster, so the market cycle timing metric is given higher priority than usual to reduce that risk. Another important metric is the statistical reliability. If the data is unreliable, some metrics may be misleading. Two suburbs may have the same demand to supply ratio, but different low risk scores. And this is because one suburb may have a better vacancy rate and market cycle timing score than the other. To seek out suburbs with good growth potential and lower risk, use suburb search and sort property markets from highest to lowest by this low risk score. Note that this is a better approach than filtering by individual metrics. The score combines those metrics, but if you filter by those metrics, you'll probably eliminate a good suburb from consideration simply because one of those metrics failed your filter settings. It is better to sort by an overall score than to filter by multiple metrics that are related to that score.